again. What am I doing this evening? I feel like my stomach looks bigger than it is in this camera, I swear. They say you gain 10 pounds on camera. I think it's true. What am I doing? I'm taking this apart real quick. And what I might do with this, I did a video of this before, but I'll do another one. I have 2 old 18-volt thingamabobbers, and seeing as these batteries are not good, I'm going to take them apart, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I got a screwdriver somewhere. Kind of great. It's the torque bits. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Anyway, folks, I found a snap-on torque bit. I like these old snap-on handles. These ones and the black ones. I don't like the funny color ones. So I'll take this apart and I'll show you what I'm doing. Like I said, this is my channel. Do whatever I want. Do what I want. And we'll get a chair here. Sit on. If you're new to my channel about me just building stuff, doing things, whatever I feel like. It's kind of like I guess it's a shop/vlog channel. I keep stating that in videos. So what I'm doing is you take these off, the old batteries, and you screw them to the wall. It's pretty much, if you want to put them on an angle so they stay on, but they seem to stay on pretty good. So take the guts out, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the guts. I might test all the batteries in there. I think they're all toast anyway. I should just recycle them. The worst part is the internals of this are, what do you call it? Cost more than it's like to buy a replacement set of cells. It's cheaper to buy 2 knockoff batteries than to buy a replacement set of cells, which is completely stupid. So you gotta, these batteries toasty. Come on. Take this out of here. Is that coming up? Come on. There we go. Toasted. Is there a battery in there too? Yeah, looks like it. How the hell's that come up? Is it taped in there? It's always something, huh? It's always something. Nope. Nope, that didn't come out. These batteries are toast. They're all corroded on the inside. Nope, that didn't come out either. Shall shiver me timbers. Come on. I gotta get a needle nose in here. I'm not. Get out of there. I'm not. There we go. There's the whole kit and caboodle. I'm just gonna keep all this crap. I don't know. You know what? Screw that shit. What I should do is just put this back together and put a screw right through it so it just locks on. But then I'm gonna have a. See, the problem is it's gonna lock. I don't want it to lock. I want it to just. I want this just to sit on here, just like that, sit on the wall. So what I will do is I'll lop all this off, and if you cut off depending which way you want it, if you cut the front pieces off, cut the middle off, this will act like on an angle. So we'll see if we can chop that off with some cutters. Hold on a second, I'll get some cutters. Wait, hold on. So anyway, back to the task at hand. Let's see. That's where you get these little suckers. What are these? These are a set of Crescent HK Porter mini bolt cutters, I think. I use them for everything. They're actually pretty damn good. I should just get an angle grinder and cut this off. Be a lot better. Let's see. Old vintage pair of whatever. Come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. Chop, chop. Sometimes the vice grips work better than me. There we go. There we go. There we go. That worked 1,000 times better. That out of there. Take this out of there. Come on. I just cleaned my floor too. Come on. There we go. The difficult ones. Take this off and snap that off there. Make sure this comes off. There we go. We just want it to hold on the wall. Come on. There we go. Come on, pinchy, pinchy. There we go. So now when you attach to the wall, we'll have a little bit of angle. See, the bottom two will make it like this on the wall. And I'll just put 2 screws in the top here, it'll be fine. So when it sits like this, I'll just put it on my wall. And it's like that. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I'll stop it here and I'll show you how it looks when I'm done. Stay tuned. Anyway, if you watch the previous video, you'll see I put these 3 on the wall right here. And this time, I bought some new batteries, which I'll show you right here. I bought these replacement ones off Amazon for like 30 bucks. I don't know if they're any good. I don't care. But basically, if they work, who cares? And I put my other 2 drills up there next to the collection of junk. So yeah, if you bought a few more new ones like this, well, I don't know. They're $30-something for this. And the insides, new batteries are like 40-something bucks. So might as well just buy it. Oh, and they come in a 2-pack too, which is even more insane. So anyway, if you like my little thing here, the old batteries, how to store them, forget to click like, subscribe, and tell your friends, and come back and watch some more videos. I'll have some more stuff on here. Thanks for watching.